Maya pa oras kabalen. Kayan taming mabilog a persaning GNN TV44, babyela rin makapanahon at lokal na istoryang dapat yung apalo, kapamilataning garantisado, kumpleto ang pambalansing informasyon. O rin ipure balita may kalap nganing Biyernes, July 4, 2025. Yaku po'y Beniginto at iti in News Force, Pampanga. Asahan na maging mabilising biyahe kay party ng Tarlac, kapamilataning Luisita Esitex Interchange Expansion Project. Pakiwaluan tayong detalye king report ng Patricia Mamahon.
Asahan na apabilising biyahe papunta at iba't karayng mani mo ng economic zone king Central Luzon, king pamanyundo ning Luisita Esitex Interchange Expansion Project, king probinsya na ning Tarlac. Ing proyekto, ing piyabe-yabeng inisyatibo ning Bases Conversion and Development Authority o BCDA, Department of Public Works and Highways o DPWH at NLEX Corporation. Kabilang keting pamamuklat ning northbound carriageway ning Subic-Clark-Tarlac Expressway o SCTEX ating bayong entry at exit points bilang karagdagang ruta king kasalukuyan na southbound access.
Diba, marami rin tayong mga farmers and small, medium and micro entrepreneurship entrepreneurs based in this area na mapapadali ang kanilang travel to northbound para sa kanilang pagmamarket and pagpasok. Especially this area will, in the few years, will be, I think this might be the central business district of not only the province but of Central Luzon. You know, Luisita is the center of Central Luzon. So it doesn't get any more strategic than that.
Pero sa daldeng linawi at ininspeksyon din na BCDA President Joshua Bingkang, Tarlac Governor Christian Tel Yap, Vice Governor Lita Aquino at BCDA Vice President Engineer Randy Villacruzes ing progreso ning proyekto at pisabian ring tutuking takbang para king progreso ning lugar.
To speed up more economic activities and economic benefits, no? Para sa motorista, no, it will save them on travel time. Siyempre, pag nakatipid ka sa travel time, mas magiginawaan din yung mga sakyan, less wear and tear. So that's immediate impact on the motorist, the public. But on the businesses, of course, the accessibility ng area is further enhanced.
Party 80 king mas malawak ka plano ning BCDA na isulong ing infrastruktura para king masalese pulay ning transportasyon, kalakal at investment king Region 3. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susunod.
Abe, sibukan mo ng minukyat king Mount Pinatubo? Paano nga lipa? Malyari mong pakibaluan rin bayang ruta ang malyaring dalanan papunta king Pinatubo Summit king istorya ng Francel Maniago.
Inanunsyo ng Pinatubo Mountaineer Chairman Barry Silvestre king kapihan ning Pampanga Press Club kay Swiss Hotel Clark king pasibayang pamumuat ning Mount Pinatubo Clark Adventures. Kamagnasan ning programa imbiyayan ning ecotourism king Mount Pinatubo at agkatan la ring turista mapalocal man o foreigner na adiskubriya ing legwan ning bundok. Kimpa magsusi ning 34th anniversary ning Mount Pinatubo, amuyatan na lang Chairman Silvestre, ing publimo na aranasan rin bayong ruta at attraction a perfect para king family bonding o kaya naman barkada adventures.
And then marami pa po silang actually areas na pwedeng i-explore. So ano pa lang to, Inararo. So actually sa ibang lugar mayroon pa tayong pwedeng maging canyoneering. So sunod-sunod siya na falls.
Kawani king trekking. Bibida mo naman ng river crossing, crater lake view at photo op spots asiguradong pumatok king social media. Atin mo naman available guided tours at safety briefing bayo mukyat para king mas komportableng karanasan.
Ecotourism tour guide, naging part din ako doon, naging DOT accredited tour guides ang maraming AITA po sa Porac. So ito lang yung part. So next niyan is ang safety, occupational safety, and then photography with Sir Romel Bundalayan, so from Fujifilm. ambassador. Dahil po meron tayong magandang lugar, meron tayong magandang community. Nakikita po ng mga professional and willing to help po sila. Talaga parang nakikita nila yung potential ng lugar and ng mga tao sa lugar. So ayun po, yung sunod-sunod nating trainings.
Nano pa mong panayan, abe. Kita-kits kay Mount Pinatubo Clark Adventure at silipan ng aliwang klaseng legwan ng Mount Pinatubo. Ako po Francel Maniago para kay News Force Pampanga, balitang tuto kay Balen Susuy.
Bang pagselebra ng mabanding kultura na rin Kapampangan, karas keng heirloom recipe, peg masusya niya yung first Kusinema Pampanga Short Film Festival. Ay ning highlights ng kaganapan king balita ng Patricia Mamangon.
Kinilalala reng minangat akaya na kang filmmaker king ganapan na peka mo munang Kusinema Pampanga Short Film Festival Awards Night. Ing peka mo munang Short Film Festival king lalawigan ang makasentro king Kapampangan Cuisine. Kusinema, ame buo, iba't kareng amanong kusina o cuisine at sine. Layo ning proyekto, ing ibida, ing mabanding kultura ning Kapampangan, kapamilatan dareng istorya. Dikil kareng heirloom dishes at local delicacies, abinyayan king pelikula dareng kaya na kang direktor. Ing programa, penimunanan ning Arts, Culture and Tourism Office of Pampanga, kasan metong ing Center for Kapampangan Studies. Metong yating inisyatibo, bang isulong ing sining o art, kultura at impamangang Kapampangan gamiting makabayong lupa ning storytelling. King Awards Night, dininan lang galal at pamagkilala reng peka magaling nga pelikula, direktor at aliwa pang kategoryang technical king short film. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tuto king Balen Susuy.
Atin pa mga paling balita king pamagbalik ning News Force Pampanga.
Panandamaning El Nino. Kuntoro papali o mitatasing temperatura, daragul mo naman ing pamangailangan king kuryente. King daragula demand king kuryente asang kaning paning pamangamit kareng appliances kalupaning aircon, freezer at refrigerator. Asahan tamo naman na siguradong tuki ing kimot ning presyo ning kuryente amani batan king wholesale electricity spot market. Inya naman papaganakan ning Sfelapco kareng hanggang consumers ing paniguradong pamagbayo ning konsumo at presyo ning kuryente balang kilowatt hour. Manatiling makayantabe king kaya kaming Facebook page para kareng latest advisory. Beto nga paganaka, ibat king Sfelapco.
Deni pa rin balitang dapat tamong tutukan, kay katanemang silipan ng First Media Art Cafe king Pilipinas ang makabuklat king Ciudad San Fernando. King report ng Patricia Mamangon.
Looks like a cinema. O parang gallery. Museum? Nope, it's actually a Korean coffee shop. Welcome to Glam Grand Media Art Cafe, the first ever media art cafe in the Philippines. And it is just opened right here in Pampanga. This Korean-inspired cafe isn't your ordinary coffee spot. It's a two-story space where coffee meets creativity, literally.
The Glam is the first media art cafe. So you can watch the beautiful media art with great coffee and delicious food.
Their main attraction? Projection mapping, art exhibitions na pinapalabas gamit ang laser projectors sa cafe walls. Parang immersive museum meets cafe feels. You don't just sip your latte here. You enjoy it while watching moving art all around you. And guess what? May photo booth din sa loob. Your pictures can be flashed on the projector wall. Perfect for extra memorable moments.
The first thing is the photo booth that is linked to the media art. If you take photo at kiosk, you can print the photo and also you can send the photo to the media wall.
Pwede rin ang cafe for presentations, small events, and even marriage proposals if you're feeling extra little romantic.
The cafe is designed for food, media exhibition, wedding, and future education venue. We have same facilities in Korea. Every time guests come to cafe, we'll have new experience every day. We cover a wide range of service content such as 4-dimension interactive movies, art, career, education demos. We are preparing interactive K-pop events and other very different moves.
And of course, hindi lang art ang bida rito. The food is a must-try too. We sampled their pasta, salad, potato wedges, and nachos. Perfect for sharing. Plus, they've got a wide selection of coffee and drinks from iced Americanos to fruity refreshers. The cafe is located at Greenfield Square, Sindalan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And it's open daily from 8 a.m. to 12 midnight. Kaya kung hanap mo ay cafe na may art, aesthetic at experience, Glam Grand Media Art Cafe is the place to be. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.
Kaya katamong pakibaluan ng bilining panahon king lalawigan, kilob ng 24 oras. Metong na yung ganap pabagyuing babante na low pressure area at yuking 200 kilometers northwest of Calayan, Cagayan at ingangin na 45 kilometers per hour at atimbugsong 55 kilometers per hour. Iti may palagwan niyang Tropical Depression Bising. Mamapekto yung Bising king barangula parte ng Northern at Central Luzon. Magdalang mauran at malula mapanahon. Kawani kaniti, mamapekto yung pamurin ng habagat o southwest monsoon ang magdalang muring pamanuran king maragula parte ng bansa. Kabalen maging parti kaking pamagbalita ketiking News Force Pampanga na numang kaganapan. Isyo reklamo king kayong lugar, malyari mong ikwento isumbong kapamilatan dareng numerong mayakit king kayong screen. Malyari mo namang mag-post karing kaming social media accounts. Panalakaraning News and Public Affairs Team ng GNN TV 44, ingadilan kayong mata sa kalidad ng lokal na pamagbalita bilang panatang serbisyo karing sablang Kapampangan. I'll venue lang ining biyernis may kalapay istorya ketiking probinsya. Yako po'y Benny Ginto at ini ing News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu, king balen, susuyo.